Hello, welcome back to Craft and Angler. My name is Domino. I make leather items. Today I'm going to show you the tried and true tips for maintaining and cleaning your leather items. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Now let's get started. Leather items are special. To maintain them in a pristine condition, we need special care and maintenance. So I'm going to show you how we take care of Crazy Horse leather item and Prepper Vegetarian leather item. The tools you will need is a horsehair brush, leather conditioning, soft cloth. This is canvas. This is cotton. You could also use those cotton bags that come with your leather item. Tip number 1, dust removal. This is very simple and basic step. This is a very important step and it can make a lot of difference. What you need to do is grab your leather item, give a little brush. You can use your horsehair brush, gently brush off the dusts. Or you can use a cotton cloth. For every item from us, from Craft and Angler, we include a cotton cloth bag. Make sure it's dry. Gently brush off the surface of your leather. Tip number 2, cleaning. You can try to purchase some natural cleaning agent for the purpose. However, here at Craft and Angler, we suggest to simply use some lukewarm water to lightly damp a cotton cloth and then give your leather item a gentle wipe. Especially if you're using very natural leather like Crazy Horse leather or Prepper Vegetarian leather. That's what we offer here at Craft and Angler. Damp cotton cloth will be enough. Tip number 3, gentle wiping. Gentle is the name of the game here. So let's say if you accidentally spill something on your leather item, there's stain on top, and you might want to apply some cleaner and then work on the leather stain directly. But do remember to gently wipe it, and you might want to do it multiple times. Tip number 4, air dry. Now that you finish cleaning your leather item, you will want it to air dry. Don't put it near any heat source. Even if sometimes you accidentally use a little bit more of the water on your cloth or a little bit more of the cleaner, still let it air dry. Let it sit quietly for a while, maybe overnight. Tip number 5, conditioning your leather. So after you let your leather item dry out, it's time for us to apply some conditioner onto the leather. At Craft and Angler, we mainly use organic products, and Smith Leather Balm is the way to go. It mainly consists of natural ingredients like beeswax, almond oil, and cocoa butter. And it also smells good too. What you need to do is to apply a little bit of the leather balm onto your cotton cloth. And here again, you can use the cloth bag that comes with our product. Okay? And then gently apply on your leather. Give a little buff. And especially on the edge. And don't forget these golden rules. Keep your leather away from direct sunlight. Your leather don't like it. Also, store it properly. Avoid heat or water. Perform regular maintenance. Just repeat the 5 steps that we just finished previously. Maybe bring your leather item to professional cleaning when needed. So these are our go-to tips for keeping your leather items fresh and fabulous. With a little bit of love and care, your leather items are gonna age like fine wine. If you like what you see here today, give us a thumbs up and check out our products in our website. And if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. See you guys next time. Wish you and your loved one a wonderful day.